Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you have not yet subscribed, then please support me by subscribing my channel and also hit the bell icon to get my further video notifications. So today I am presenting one Mughlai dish, Chicken Korma. The Mughlai cuisines are famous for their non-vegetarian recipes along with the rich aromatic gravies with heavy use of spices, yogurt, cream, dry fruits and other aromatic ingredients. These recipes were usually made for kings and nawabs that time. So without wasting time, let's start. For this, first I have taken 20 cashews and 10 to 12 almonds. Now we'll soak this in hot water for at least 1 hour. Now here I have taken 600 gram washed chicken. Now we'll do deep cuts in the chicken so that it cooks well. Now we'll marinate this with some lemon juice, or you can use vinegar also. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, and 2 teaspoons of white oil. Now rub the chicken pieces very well and marinate this for at least half an hour. You can keep this in fridge. Now here I am using hung curd, that is the curd drained of its excess water. Now in a heated karai, add 2 tablespoons of white oil and then add 2 bay leaves, that is tej patta, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, few cloves and some peppercorns. Saute them for a few seconds and then add 2 finely chopped medium-sized onions. Saute this until it becomes translucent. Now add the marinated chicken pieces and keep on sauteing with the onions. After 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing, you will see the chicken colors are changing to off-white. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Again saute this very well. Now I am taking 3 tablespoons of my hung curd and beat this curd very nicely. Now add this curd into the chicken and again start sauteing very well. Cover the karai for 10 minutes in low flame and again cook. After a few minutes of sauteing, again cover the lid for a few minutes and allow this to cook. Now you will see the oil is separating from the chicken. Now at this point we will add the cashew and almond paste. I have also added 5 green chilies. Add little water. Make a fine paste of everything. Now add the paste and again saute it again with the chicken until the raw smell of cashew goes away. I'm sauteing this for another 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup water in the same mixing jar. Just clean all the remaining paste with the water and add to the gravy. Now let this boil. Add salt as per taste, and also I'm adding 3 whole green chilies. Now cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. When you see the gravy is getting thick, add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. I'm using this Amul fresh cream. Now mix this very well. Now add some dry roasted kasuri methi. Mix this very well. And lastly, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of kevda water. Now this will give the Mughlai aroma in the dish. 1 teaspoon is enough, don't add too much. Otherwise it will taste bitter. Cover this lid and serve when you want to eat. Hope you like this recipe. Try it and let me know your feedback. If you like it, then please like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.